Hello everyone! Let's learn how to blend a logo on any fabric surface like this in Photoshop. So, open your fabric image in Photoshop. Now, drag and drop the logo image into the fabric image. Press Ctrl+T and scale the logo as needed. Since my logo is in black color, I want to turn it into white. So, select the logo layer and go to Image, Adjustment, and Invert. Now, right-click on the logo layer and choose Blending Options. Press and hold the Alt key to break this slider and slide it up to 105. Similarly, slide this slider up to 180. Hit OK. Move the logo around the fabric to see the effect. We are done here. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.